What's up, Pitch Roller fam? It's your boy Jay.
And Nifa.
We're here with a.
Okay, so let me explain. Okay, so I found this inside the Asian store, and I was like, you know what? Let me try it. But I don't know the name of this. But the lady told me it's Indian sweets, and I don't know quite what this is.
It's a guava.
It's guava mochi or mochi.
Chinese.
Real fruit puree. So we're gonna try this out, okay?
We call it mix mint.
Okay, mix maitaha.
Maitaha.
Or mataha.
Well,
we don't know.
It look like sushi to me, like candy sushi.
But wait, let me see. Oh. It doesn't tell us what these are. Oh yes, it do.
Ingredients.
No, it just have the ingredients. There's no artificial flavors, no preservatives. Yeah, they the real deal, Holyfield.
Oh, so I want y'all. I know y'all want to see it. We'll get a thumbnail too. Hold on. Oh, you can pull that thing back.
What thing?
So it won't be like.
Oh.
Okay.
All right.
I like sushi, y'all. Huh?
Let me smell it.
You put it down like it smell like. Smell like nothing, huh?
Yeah, I do. I smell spices in there.
No.
Well, let's go ahead and sample.
I should not do that.
No, babe, just leave it like that.
Okay.
What's wrong with it like that?
Sushi. It don't smell like nothing. It smell like clay.
That ain't funny.
It ain't funny, but it to me it don't smell like nothing. Okay.
You sure took a big bite for a sample. You don't even know if you're gonna like it.
It melts in your mouth too.
It's real, it's not a strong, nothing strongy taste about it.
It got a little like soft.
I like it.
To it. It's okay.
I
you
like
can eat
it. Yeah. Almonds on there?
Yes, almonds on there too.
It's not like, you know how sweet something sweet, you're like, oh my god,
sweet, like,
that's so soft.
It's like
settled.
It's like
mild, very very mild,
yeah,
sweet.
mild. I eat these, no problem. What's this one? Well, we don't
I'm
know
gonna break it, cause see you.
Still getting a big piece.
I like the color. Did you bite it? Why did you break it?
Like the same thing, but with different flavor to it. It's on your nose. Oh, the end result. Probably got some type of ginger in it. I'm not a good fan of that one. What color this is? What flag this is? Coming down.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that yellow one much.
Okay. It's
different.
Wait, you want to break this or you want to bite it?
Break it.
Okay.
That show is a big piece.
I got a bigger piece than you?
No, but it's okay.
Because every layer might have a different flavor. Like a coconut, like. Alright. Put it in your mouth? No. No. Good.
No.
Can I get some of your water?
I want my water.
Okay.
That's a pass.
Yeah. Right here.
Let's go for the ball.
Okay. It's like so far this one is winning, man. Okay. Like a coconut, huh? Like how the texture feel?
No.
Okay.
No, guys, that's not for me. Nope.
That's okay. No. It's like it got a coconut, like you know how you chew coconut, like a coconut candy. It got that type of texture, feeling to it. The taste. Whew. Michael, we gonna try this green one right here.
Okay, I'm assuming that's something pistachio.
We got green one right here. Okay.
Oh,
It got coconut on there.
everything is like a mush, like a clay textures to it.
That one. Shout out to India. No offense, y'all.
I don't know what to say, y'all.
No. Okay, what is some of these the same thing?
I think so, yeah. Because it's two of them balls. That's
Cause this look like
obvious.
that. Okay, we're gonna go with the one with the. They got the peanuts on top. Almonds, peanuts, yes, almonds. Is you like? Oh, I don't want that one. Okay, let me give it the peaches on. Very bold flavors right there.
I'm sorry if I'm offending the culture.
Oh, you need some water? Okay.
You know, that's not mine.
Alright. Which one?
The white one. No, yeah, that one.
See this? I think all these the same. All these white ones are the same.
All
I
the, don't get that one, get that one, the white one.
I am for to get the white one. I'm just showing.
They all have like a clay texture to them, like.
Yeah. Oh, excuse me.
See, that's the same taste again.
It tastes better. This tastes like more of the first one. No, the first one's different.
I can eat that one.
I can eat this one. This one good. So the white one is good. Let's see, for y'all can see, this is the same kind. We tried all of it. We tried this one too, huh?
Yeah. That was this
See,
one.
yeah, that was that one. So
What about that one right there?
No, this is a different one. You looking like, man, they should have been the same. But we can't get that one yet.
Okay.
We gotta finish tasting the other. We ain't even taste the white one over there.
We don't have to. It's the same as the yellow one.
No, it's not. It's different. It's okay.
I don't understand this.
That's why you tried it. You trying new things. You
No.
try-
I don't understand how they packaged, like, they made all the same type of stuff. Like, it don't have a whole lot
That
of
one
difference.
tastes like it was like a pumpkin pie to it. At the end.
Yeah, that one's okay. I can tolerate that.
Oh man, they got my
You need this?
Okay, this is the last one. Come on.
No. Coconut?
Tastes good. See, you about to run from this one.
Cause I mean, if you had a bad experience, you just
This one good. So out of all of them, y'all, what's the ones?
that one.
The diamond shaped one, this one, and this one are good.
And that one.
Yeah, and that one. So y'all can see in that one. Rest of them,
Would I buy it again? No, not even for the ones I did kind of like.
So this is Japanese.
But it is good to try other people's stuff, you know?
Other cultures, y'all.
Oh, it's so soft.
It's still a dough. Like, you know how you make a dough? They gotta see it. You talking about, look, let them look at that shit stuff. See, the dough's like a donut. Like
It's so heavy, look. Watch my hand go down. Okay, let me stop playing with it.
Okay. Like, you ain't want to break it. Hey, you go off in the middle. You gotta break it.
I don't want to break it. I just want to bite it. Oh my God, babe, feel it.
Oh, that feel good. Oh, man, it feel like hey, I feel maybe putting the powder thing on your face. Like the powder, whatever that is. It feel like that. And it just pop. Like bubblegum. Man, it's like a moon pie. That tastes like a moon pie, man.
I don't know about that, y'all.
I like it for the feel though.
Okay.
I taste the guava. But the texture's like, you know, in the middle of the moon pie. It's like that. I don't like moon pies like that. It ain't nasty.
How did they make this?
Eat the middle part. We're gonna eat the middle part. See what that's talking about. That's the moon pie part. No.
This was a no-go, guys. But we
Chinese, Japanese.
Hold on, y'all.
I'm trying to
I did buy some tea from the Middle East so that I can start drinking more hot tea. I'm finna go get it for y'all.
Yeah, we got some.
So this is the tea from the Middle East. It's called Al-Waza. Al-Waza.
And it's a Swan brand.
Swan brand. So stars coming through the door. And I want to show y'all when I opened this up yesterday. It smells nice and herbally. But look at what this look like, y'all. Light it up, smoke it up, inhale.
This is tea, y'all. This is tea.
I just have to boil a little.
These are tea leaves. Like, this is the purest form as like the organic form you can get. Cause you know in the tea bags it be different. It be all grinded up different. That's tea, man. When I looked at it, I'm like, are you serious? Is this tea?
You sure that's tea?
Is y'all trying to trick me? But it's tea, y'all. I never seen tea like this day in my life. And it's good for you.
And the customer in the store, she was from Jordan, which is in the Middle East. And she's like, that's the best tea. She said she lost weight drinking that tea. So I was like, you know what?
It's green tea at that. So.
Yeah, it's a green tea. So I'm going to give it a try and see how it works. It says 100% pure Ceylon tea. So I'm going to put this down in the description below. So in case y'all out and y'all want to go to the nearest Asian market,
you go in.
y'all can look for this tea. But in the meantime, this was a nice experience to try something different. Go to your local Asian store, try different foods. You never know what you're gonna like. Also, like, hit the bell to be notified so you don't miss the next upload from us. Go on our Instagram and follow us at _picture us rolling. Subscribe to our channel if you're new, because guess what? It's free. We love y'all and thank y'all for watching. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.